So we're going to make a raised panel door using my cheap little table saw. I've already made the rails and stiles, cut them to length, assembled them using my Frood rail and stile kit, which works very well. Frood, if you want to send me money for that, feel free. I've measured the panel to fit the frame, and I've set up a fence on my table saw, just a piece of wood, and we're going to run the panel across the blade, side to side instead of with the blade, and we're going to raise the blade slightly, about a 1/16 of an inch on each pass, and we'll go around all four sides. So here we go. So when you're done all your passes, the outside edge of the panel should be about the same thickness as the groove in your frame. So let's see how it fits in the frame. So we got our rails and stiles, which we previously cut. Rails on, and the stiles. And there you go. Give it a quick sanding, and you'll have a decent raised panel door.